Since the blood clot big road them we can't mash up. Don't fucking do it. Jamaican man won't go Jamaican woman alone can thump and kick them or abuse them. Because of that alone them know if he can comply to. If Jamaican girl not beat and he'll treat them, they not behave themselves. Them don't behave. Tell money I dal me so link him. When Jamaica, you ever see a Jamaican man behave yet? No. But you see him Jamaican baby mother know how to style him and deal with him one way. Walk up to him, run him over with our Nissan, clot him in his face with our purse. Fuck him up, call all his mother and say, hey, big fat sour blood clot woman, let me tell you this. Tell your Batman son, say, me say, tell that bitch the way you have, say, me say, yeah. You understand me? A Jamaica woman alone know if you deal with them, the dog shit there. So you left go and take up blood clot, Jelani, all you go get a bun lick and pitney. Bun lick and blood clot pitney, you have to go near me, chew you up like bubble gum, pity out, act too. Eh? And me say, D, go back to Jelani. Jelani go back to D, nobody no want to know. Who do who are out? It who are not dog shit. Jelani beat and fuck. And blood clot, dirty D take fuck and beaten. I just say you go. Who no deserve each other, go fix no marriage. Go to counseling. Jelani fuck. You fuck D. No go and give a fuck together. Who no need to go give a motherfuck together. Go and do it. Jankro. It two deserve each other. No one left but dung for it two. Dung alone and I go. Yeah, take back Jelani. And you know too. That Jelani I love of your life. Eh? No to blood clot. I better you care about Jelani in your house and burn him. Go on it to one start burning no one another and give no one another some yeast infection and feel good. Look at that. Away other one name will crash a car. He strike me as bossy, you know. Me never like him. Sorry if you people don't like him, I don't do nothing. Sorry, me not this one. No. He want to crash a car. He see him a little bossy to me. Enough. You understand me? Too bossy, man. And they not learn to drive on the road properly. Them a drive like say a them who on the road. Who never see how them blood clot driver Jamaica yet, especially them your new age vlogger and the thief them with the car, them like the Beamer and the Benz and the you know see them a drive on Jamaica road, them no respect no blood clot body. When time me see them crash, the only thing me glad say, nobody no blood clot dead, but me no sorry for them. You no need to tell them drunk ya where buy them car yourself to drive the car them properly on the road. And stop driving and go on like a them alone them on Jamaica road them. Them are the most disgusting on the blood clot road. Jamaica have more accident than foreign. To blood clot. Every minute you look, somebody car there over one precipice. Somebody car lick up in a somebody else's car. Then two blood clot bossy. The whole of them buy these whole heap of car if drive fast and shame themselves. Go crash and kill other people. Never stop it. Eh? Move with the CBs a come. You must see blood clot, man. The amount of them where the bees are kill from what the my side. If we no can count too much people in bees kill in Jamaica, we lose count. That's all. Eh? Me bumbo clot. Me say team, when you no see the bees, how much bees kill them out the road there? Eh? Me blood clot. This is the reason why. Because in the Bible, them tell you about bees. Bees is not nothing good. Bees a man we fuck body. You understand me? Bees a man we fuck animal. You don't need for blood clot of them the same thing around you. You understand me? The Bible fulfill itself. Who no dead they call, who no care them sitting with blood clot Bible speak of. Man we fuck man. Why would you call your car a blood clot beast? When the blood clot Bible tell you say beast is nothing good. Beast a waste man activity. Man we fuck body. Why would you want to have a beast? You don't need them the same thing there. God that move from there. And go down. I move from there, sir. I move from right there, sir. Eh? Geo them. The whole of them, and not Geo them alone. All of them what you see with these high-end car. The whole of them drive it like them want you to see it. And when you are driving, move out of them blood clot way. Move drunk. And that's how it go. Your car is a beast because you're a batty, man. You never tell me say you so good. Who the fuck is me in your life you can tell me say you so good? Parry me look like me care if you so good or not, daddy. All me I tell you say go so good somewhere else. You don't need to so good you say in front of me. Me look like me watch porn now to you, me killer. The fuck you come over here and tell